guys, what's up and welcome back. I am here to share with you guys something that I recently got, and as you guys know, I'm a new mom, or should I not call myself new mom anymore because I have an 8-month-old. I cannot believe how time flies. So basically, you guys know that I am a mom, and recently I'm still trying to adjust with all the timings and his sleep schedule and his feeding and everything, and with my stuff as well. So I do not have the time to go and get my nails done outside. So I got this from Madam Glam, and it's a gel nail polish set which comes with base, top and colors. And then I also got their LED light to dry off the nails. As you guys know, you need LED light to dry off gel nail polish. And few things that I love about them is that they are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are free of 21 toxic chemicals that are found in other nail polishes. So that's good because you want your nail to be healthy. And they have 1800 plus shades and textures and 800 plus colors, so you have a lot of options over there. These can be used both for home and professional use. And one more thing, like the best part of buying a nail polish, gel nail polish, is that you can see the exact color from their cap. You know, you don't have to open the bottle or anything, or like see this is the exact color that is inside. So I really like that about these bottles, because usually when you go and buy nail polishes online or anything, or in store, you usually open it and check it, or you see the bottom or something, because you don't know the exact color inside, but this shows it from outside. I have a very eventful weekend this week. It's Friday today, so I have a very eventful weekend, and then we did a lot of moving in the office stuff. So I'm going to show you that in my next video for sure, so stay tuned for that. But let's get started and get our nails done. I have already filed them. As you can see, they are shaped and filed. And then I got the this is the top coat, this is the base coat, and then I got 3 colors. This is called hold on, this is called NY blue. This is the blue which I'm gonna apply today. And then this is Kiss on the Cheek. It is so pretty color, look at that. And then this one is Rooftop Party. I love the names. Anyways, these are the 3 colors that I got, and I'm gonna apply the blue. So let's go ahead, apply the base coat first and start the process. It is done. I am gonna switch on the LED light and dry it underneath. It's all dried, and now I am gonna apply the color. So let's go ahead, apply the color. This blue is really pretty, and I also have the coupon codes in the description box, so if you guys want to check that out. So this is how it looks. I am gonna dry it underneath the LED lights. Finally, I am gonna apply the top coat. So these top and base coats are very thick, which I also didn't know, but so you need to make sure that you take less, otherwise it's just gonna be all over your finger. It's like a little bit goes a long way, so that's it. It's nice and shiny. Alrighty, so this hand is done. The nails are all dried up and stuff. So I really like it. I mean, it's not something, I'm not professional here, but sometimes when you don't feel like going out, or when you don't have the time, and you just want your nails painted, this is very quick and easy. I mean, it didn't take me more than 10 minutes. So I really like the color, and if you're professional, you can go ahead and mix up the colors like blue, and I'm sure this will go very well. If you have any designs in your mind, go ahead and do that. I am quickly gonna finish my other one and show you both of my hands. And with both my nails done, I love them. They look pretty, they look decent, and I love this entire thing. It was very quick, easy, and also with the LED light, it was super quick. So yeah, you guys should definitely check them out. I have a coupon code for them, so I have a coupon code for it, so check it out. It's in the description box below. Their website will also be in the description box below. And if you are a mom, or should I say new mom to an 8-month-old, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for taking out time to watch this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.